Welcome, welcome, come on in. Math is fun, let's begin. Coach Precious by your side. Numbers come alive. Add it up, subtract with ease. Multiply, divide with speed.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Coach Situations. So today we're going to be looking at the topic sets. In my last episode, I said I'm going to be solving the questions on the sets. So this is one of the questions. Solution. In this question, they said that we should find three subsets in set 2. So set A is equals to, we can say set of odd numbers. Set A has set of odd numbers, and odd numbers are 5, 11, 13, 15, and 17. Odd numbers. Set B is equals to, you can say set B has set of even numbers, and even numbers are 2. What again is even numbers? 5 is an odd number, 6, 8, 10 is also an even number, 11 is not, 13 is not, but 14 is an even number, 15 is not, 16, 17 is not. So even numbers. We can say set C has set of prime numbers, and prime numbers are 2, 5 is a prime number, 6 is not a prime number, 8 is not a prime number, 10 is not a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number, 14 is not a prime number, 15 is not a prime number, 16 is not a prime number, and 17 is a prime number. So these are the answers we got in number 1. Find 3 subsets, and there are 3 subsets here which we found in this universal set. We move on to the next question. Number 2, they give us A set of whole numbers and B which has set of even numbers, and then they said find A union B and A intersect B. Solution. A union B is equals to, A union B means just join these two things together, then you get your answer. Sorry. 1, there are 2 here, so you just only bring 1. There are double 2 here, you just bring 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, and 14. You just join all of the numbers together, then you've gotten A union B. Then they say find A intersect B. A intersect B means common numbers that are similar, like 2 now. There's 2 here, there's 2 here, there's 4 here, there's 4 here. So that is A intersect B. So 2, there's 4 here, there's 4 here, so there's 4. There's 6 here, and there's 6 there, so 6. 10. There's 10 there. 12. There's no 12. 14. There's no 14 there. So this is our answer. So this is the answer we got in question 2. Find A union B and A intersect B. We move on to the third question. Number 3. In a school of 255 students, 80 of them study Arabic only, 125 of them study French only. Each student study at least one of the two subjects. I. Represent in a Venn diagram. I. How many students study both subjects? What is the probability of meeting students which study both subjects? Solution. First of all, we'll write in the datas. The number of the total outcome is 255. How? Because they said in a school of 255 students. That means the total students in the school is 255. That is the universal set. So it's 255. Then number of students that are studying Arabic equals to 80. That means this one is the subset of this one. Number of students studying French is 125 and it's also a subset of the universal set. Number of A union B complement is equal to 0. Number of A intersect B is equal to X. So we are going to find for the X. So they say represent in the Venn diagram. So first of all, this is a Venn diagram. So let's fill in the data. They said U is equal to 255. This one is the universal set, the total amount of the students, 255. Then these two ones inside there are the subset of this universal set. So A equals to 80 students and French equals to 125. Then the intersection is X. The union is this side, which is 0, no number there, so it's equal to 0. So we are going to look for X before we solve any other question. Going to find X. So the formula is number of the universal set is equal to I plus I plus I plus IV. Here is the I, here is the II, here is the I, and here is the IU. So number of the total outcome is 255 equals to I is 80, II is plus X, III is plus 125 plus IV, which is 0. So 255 is equal to 80 plus 125 is equal to 205 plus X. So 255 minus 205, because this 205, which carries positive sign over here, crosses the equality sign, which will change to negative 205, which is equal to X. So 255 minus 205 is equal to 50, sorry. Therefore, S is equals to 50. So here is 50. So we'll draw another Venn diagram. The Arabic is 80, the French is 125, the universal set is 255, and the intersection, which we just found earlier, x equals to 50. So here it equals to 50. 50 plus 125 is 175, and 175 plus 8 is 255. If this total amount of this thing here didn't give you 255, meaning that the answer is wrong. So now we can now solve for II. How many students study both subjects? How many students study both subjects here? How many students study both subjects here? Students who study both subjects is the intersection, the one in the middle. They studied here, then they studied here. You can see half part is here, half part is here. So the number of students that study both of them is 50. That is A intersect F is equals to 50. So that is II. III. What is the probability of meeting students which study both subjects? I said both subjects is 50. 50. What is probability? Probability is just finding the possible outcome. And what is the formula? Is the number given to you all over the total amount, which is 255. 5 here is 10. 5 go here, that is 5. 5 go here, which is 1. So 10 all over 51. That is I. So we have come to the end of this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this my channel. See you in the next episode. Bye.
Welcome, come on in. Math is fun, let's begin. Coach Precious by your side, numbers come alive. Add it up, subtract with ease, multiply.